We continue to follow that breaking news. An appeals court has denied Trump immunity claims, this in regard to the D.C. federal election case.
Here to weigh in, Alan Dershowitz, Professor Emeritus at Harvard Law School. Professor, good to see you, and thank you so much in being patient with us and getting you going here. So this news has come in, as you've heard, again, in a D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals denying the presidential immunity claim. Some are saying that, or rather the president saying now, his team, that they would again appeal this to the highest court in the land. Can we get your initial reaction to this breaking news?
Well, it's no surprise at all. Everybody knew it would come down unanimously this way as soon as we heard the oral argument. Both sides in the argument went too far. The Trump side went too far by suggesting that even if a president ordered the SEALs to kill his opponent, that would be immunized. And the other side went too far by saying essentially nothing is immunized. I suspect the Supreme Court, if they take the case, will split the difference and say there are certain actions that are subject to immunity and others that are not. The issue in this case now has really become timing, because the Court of Appeals has given a limited time to try to get a stay from the Supreme Court. In order to get a stay, you need 5 votes. In order to get review, you need 4 votes. So if the court gets 4 people to review the case, probably there will be a stay granted, but it's not certain.
Right. And of course, we're wondering, this is new, right? The fact that we're even discussing presidential immunity in this regard is something we haven't seen before. And it makes me wonder just about precedent. You think about future administrations. How much pressure is the Supreme Court facing right now in this moment?
Well, it's facing pressure, but it, of course, can resist the pressure by simply denying review. Look, this is unprecedented on both sides. No president has ever been indicted after he left office, and no president has ever claimed immunity. I mean, the court is dead wrong when it says that essentially nobody is above a criminal prosecution. Senators are. Senators and congressmen can't be prosecuted for things they said and did on the Senate and House floor. Even judges have some degree of immunity, so it shouldn't be surprising that presidents have some immunity. The question, as it is with senators and judges, is how much immunity. It's a matter of degree. And of course, we live in an age where nothing anymore is a matter of degree. Everything is just pick sides. And this court picked sides and decided it was going to be part of the get Trump mentality and write a very, very powerful opinion, one-sided opinion, laying out essentially the case against any immunity, and we'll see if the Supreme Court does the same thing. I suspect the Supreme Court will either deny review, which is very possible, or if they take the case, it'll be a very divided opinion. It won't be unanimous, I don't think.
All right, we'll see again if a stay is ordered on that, just about 6 days away from, again, officially filing for it, limited with time. Again, as you said, the issue here, timing. Watching this play out, Professor Alan Dershowitz.
This is a game of beat the clock. Beat the clock. Remember that television show? That's what these judicial orders are all about. Whether or not you can get a trial before the election or whether the trial will come after the election. That's the name of the game.
Great point. All right, Professor Dershowitz, thank you so much.